Moving out of the city and heading for the suburbs.
And apparently the suburbs of the Alamo City is a pretty hot spot for them these days. Audrey Castrano is here to explain why they're moving in. Audrey.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, millennials are saying goodbye to the city life and flocking to the burbs. And according to Time magazine, San Antonio is one of those cities with some destination suburbs. According to a study by Urban Land Institute, San Antonio came in second with the amount of growth outside the metro area between 2010 and 2015. That's an increase overall of about 14% of people ages 25 to 34. Researchers say it may be because there's more living options popping up in suburban areas, meaning apartments. Some experts say that's because a lot more millennials are putting off buying and are instead renting for a longer period of time, but still wanting that slower pace of life. So definitely exciting stuff happening in San Antonio.
You know, I always said San Antonio is like the perfect mix between Houston and Austin. Because we've got the hill country, you know, the beautiful views,
right.
And it's a great city to raise your family in.
Right.
And then renting is great too, because then you don't have to worry about all the maintenance with your house.
No,
but,
it's a very manageable city.
Yeah.
You can get around, you get everything you want, and you can get around and raise family. It's great.
Yeah, you don't have to go anywhere.